Good morning students. Today we are going to start our July course, Unit 3, Shapes and Patterns. Do you know the name of these shapes? Do you know, have you seen these shapes in your class? These are flat shapes. These shapes are called by flat shapes. Plane space shapes. Let us learn more about this shape. This is square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. It is called by rectangle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. We have 3 sides and 3 corners in rectangle. This is an oval. Have you seen oval shape? It has no sides or no corners. It has no sides and no corners. This is a circle. It has no sides and no corners. Okay, exercise 3rd A. Match the objects below with this correct shape. Also color the shapes. You have to fill the shapes with colors as you like and match with their shapes. Question number 2. Ring the shape. We have to find the same shape as given. Square, another square, we put it in circle. It's oval, not a circle, oval. Triangle, triangle. Circle, circle. Rectangle, rectangle. Now question number 3. Color the shapes of the same size. We have to color the shape of same size. We have to find the equal shape. Y square. So we find this one, triangle, this one, circle, this one, rectangle, this one, oval, this one. Okay. Exercise 3rd B. Match the objects with its correct solid shape. One has been done for you. Objects: ball, ball shape, sphere, cube, cube, cap, cone, jar, cylinder, book, cuboid. Take the object that matches with the solid shape shown in each part. Which shape is it? It's a sphere, ball, cube, cube, cylinder, gift, cone, cap, cuboid, book. Now page number 36, about lines. Curved lines. Take a piece of a thread and place it on a sheet of paper. Draw along the piece of thread as shown in the picture. Remove the thread and see what you have drawn. The line drawn is a curved line. It's a curved line. Which line is not straight? It's called by curved line. The line we get by drawing the outline of a leaf and a coin are also curved line. Some examples of shapes that are curved are shown below. You can see these pictures. These lines are called by curved line. Now straight lines. Take a ruler and draw along its side as shown in the picture below. Remove the ruler and see what you get. The line drawn in a straight line. Ruler, straight line. We can use a ruler to make different types of straight lines shown below. Sloping line, standing line, slanting line. These lines are called by straight lines. Observe the sides of these shapes. Are they straight? Are they straight? Yes, they are straight. Now exercise 30. Tick the lines that are curved. Which line is curved? A. It's a slanting line. C, D, E. These lines are also, we have horizontal and vertical lines. Ring the lines that are not straight. A, C and E. These lines are not straight. Tick the straight line. B, D, F. Color the shape that has no straight sides. B. Match each object with the shape you get by tracing it on a paper. We get circle by this button. We get oval by this plate. We get square by this chess.